Start with the first one, number 5. So you have the cube root of 3 to the power of 6x minus 9 times the cube root of 27 to the power of 3x. Right? This is all over 9 to the power of 2x minus 1 times 3 to the power of x. Okay, so I'm doing question 5. All right? Now, the first thing here, you have to remove the radical sign or the square root sign. So to remove it, we are going to write the numerator rather as 3 to the power of 6x minus 9, all raised to the power of, now this is all raised to the power of a third. Okay? So this is the same as that. We are removing the square root sign. Right? Times 27 to the power of 3x, all raised to the power of a third. This is all over. Now, just allow me to simplify that denominator. Convert the 9 to a base of 3, it becomes 3 squared. Okay, but I don't want to skip a step. Yes?
So, how come the first term, why is it 1 over 3?
It's 1 over 3 because we have a cube root here.
Yeah, and the 1?
And the what?
The 1.
Which one? This one here?
Yeah. The 3.
Okay, wait. Let's go back to the basics.
Yeah.
Do you remember this? The nth root of a is the same as a to the power of 1 over n. That's where I'm coming from.
But wouldn't it be equal to exponents of 3 is 6?
No. You see, okay, if I were to ask you to explain what this means, it means that find the cube root of 3 to the power of 6x minus 9. The cube root of 3 to the power of 6x minus 9 is the same as 3 to the power of 6x minus 9, all raised to the power of a third. It comes from here. Have you ever seen that before? Last year we did that.
Sure. Okay, but if another variation of the rule is the nth root of a to the power of m equals a to the power of m over n.
What?
Okay, so the nth root of a to the power of m equals a m over n, or a to the power of m over
Okay,
n.
there are two. Don't confuse the one where the rational exponent will have a numerator which is not 1, which is more than 1. You can write another one and write it as like this. The nth root of a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m over what? Over n.
So it's two completely different things.
They are different because you see here, our numerator for the rational exponent is not a 1. But here it's a what?
It's a 1.
It's a 1. That's the difference. But everything else is the same.
How do you know which one to use?
Okay, you see, if you look at this question here, right? If you look at this question, our exponent for the 3 is 6x minus 9. Maybe I have to show you another way of doing the same question. Okay? So, since we don't have a bracket, we don't have this 3 to the power of 6x minus 9, it's not inside brackets. That's why I decided to write it this way. But we can write it in another form, okay, which I will show you as well.
Thank you.
Just allow me to carry on for now. Okay, are we all on the same page there? Okay, let's carry on now. So this, okay, since I don't want to skip a step and make assumptions, so this is the same as 3 squared to the power of 2x minus 1 times 3 to the power of x. Wait, I don't know, but sorry, can you come? Yes?
Why did you bring all that to the top?
How, what?
The 27 answer.
Yes.
Why did you break it down? 3 to the power of 2.
Okay. Please be aware that there are many ways of doing the question as I said earlier. Right? You might see it the way that you are seeing it. I saw it the way that I'm seeing it. Right? I might not see another way, but you might see it. I might see a way that you might not see. So based on how I'm doing it, just follow my approach and then you see. But it's not the what? The only way of doing the test. Is that clear to everyone? Yeah. I'm not going to put you in a box and say this is the only way of doing it. No. As long as you use the correct mathematical concepts, then we'll be on the same page. So don't worry, I'm going to get the same answer, and I'll show you probably a second way of doing the same question so that we can understand it better. Right, so allow me to carry on for you. So I'm here now. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the brackets. Okay, I'm going to remove my what? My brackets. So allow me to remove the brackets on the next page. Now, if I remove brackets, for the first one, for the first term in the numerator, which is multiplying the second one, I'm allowed to multiply the 6x minus 9 by 1 over 3. So if I do that, 6x times 1 over 3 gives me 2x. So I'll end up having 3 to the power of 2x minus 9 times a third will give me a negative 3. So I'll end up having negative 3. Are you following? Right? Then, here now, I'm here. 27 to the power of 3x. Right? Since that exponent is also being affected by. Sorry? Anyone? Oh. Okay. Oh, I put a plus instead of a minus.